Hello everyone. In my last lecture, we will discuss this topic, photoresist, manual printing topic. Now I will discuss about what is photoresist. It is a very important thing in your PCB lecture. So, what is photoresist? Photoresist are used for the layout. Okay. You see here. If you see, that is a white paper, like a white paper. Okay. If you assume you print this layer in okay, that is a no problem. If you see here, that is the layer of this PCB. After that, one type of step of you in market, okay, photoresist are available in market. Photoresist, what is the function of this photoresist? Photoresist make this layer in dry solution. Okay. That is a soluble solution, wet solution. But in photoresist method, that is a wet dry solution, dry process. In this dry process, we paste here a photoresist in PCB. After that, we paste this layer. Okay. After that, we UV ray are used in this work. After this, sometime the layout are paste in the PCB. So, in market, available photoresist are positive photoresist and negative photoresist. For this positive photoresist method, positive photoresist available, and the negative photoresist are okay. So, what is the positive photoresist? First, to understand, it is a positive photoresist. The two types of photoresist method are there. In positive one is positive photoresist. In positive photoresist, the positive photoresist is a type of photoresist in which the portion of photoresist that is exposed to light becomes soluble to photoresist development. You see here, a positive photoresist exposed in light, they become the soluble to positive photoresist development. Then the portion of this positive photoresist that is unexposed remains insoluble to photoresist development. Okay. You see here, that is a magic process, one type of magic process. This line is very important. Here, the portion of the photoresist, positive photoresist portion that is unexposed remains insoluble to the positive development. That is a positive photoresist method. There is a photoresist are not exposed, unexposed here, but they remain the same. In negative photoresist, there is a positive photoresist. Some mistake. The negative photoresist is a type of photoresist with a portion of this photoresist that is exposed. That is exposed to the light becomes insoluble. You see here, that is, these steps are same. A positive photoresist and a negative photoresist method is both methods. We use this UV to expose this process done in ultraviolet light. Okay. So then that is exposed to light. Okay. That is become insoluble to photoresist. Okay. There is a here in positive photoresist, after this exposed to light, this positive photoresist, that becomes soluble to the positive photoresist in positive photoresist. And this negative photoresist, there is another method, that is, after this exposed light to this photoresist, it becomes insoluble to the positive photoresist. That is the main thing and main difference in this positive and negative photoresist. One is the soluble in positive photoresist method, another in negative photoresist, it is insoluble in photoresist. The unexposed portion of the photoresist is dissolved by the photoresist. Here, the unexposed portion, which are unexposed portion of this photoresist is dissolved by the photoresist. Okay, that is here you see after this process this unexposed portion of this positive photoresist, that is remain insoluble. And here this portion, unexposed portion of this photoresist dissolved by the photoresist. So that is a very important thing, okay, which you can use. Okay, that is a positive photoresist, marketing available in the negative photoresist So, thank you for this slide. I will discuss next slide of positive photoresist. Thanks.